Empower Ottawa 2023 was inspiring. We had so many engaging speakers that made themselves vulnerable, shared their stories, not only their triumphs, but their defeats, their challenges, their trials and tribulations that have motivated them and empowered them. So we got to hear how people were feeling empowered, how they've been empowered, and we were empowered by their stories. As a journalist, I love storytelling, and it was such an honor and a privilege to be here emceeing today.
This was a great event. It was a lot of speakers here that truly and really empowered real estate agents myself to succeed and take their career forward and succeed in their goals. So I think it's a great event for anybody, no matter if they're in their first or second year in their career or they're seasoned real estate agents.
And when you surround yourself with these great individuals, you start to believe and see the reality before it even comes in your trajectory.